Collect the blood sample. Allow the clear serum to separate on the top. Add the serum sample to the cup, covering the antibody spot. Wait 2 minutes. Add 2 drops of sample wash 2 times. Add 1 drop of enzyme. Wait 1 minute. Add 6 drops of wash solution. Allow to drain. Prepare fresh substrate solution. Add 1 dropper each of substrate A and B to the mix bottle. Fill droppers to the mark. Shake the solution well. Add 2 drops of the freshly prepared substrate from the mix bottle to the center of the cup. Wait 9 minutes.